Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to make the focus section and also a feedback form. So this is the look of the website. You can see we have the form with the field and we have the footer with full structure. So in our previous videos we can create the whole website from here to here, and this is our last section. So wait patiently and watch the whole video. You can understand how to create a form and also a footer section in your website. So here we are. So as I say that as I say that reach here move to our VS Code section and create another section tag with class name footer. And as you see we have the two containers. So first we created the two container named as div dot form container, and another which is footer actual footer container is the div footer container, named it footer container. In the form container we have the items form and another is heading. So first we are going to create the span tag or F1 tag to create the heading, which is our feedback form. And after that we don't need method here, just create a three input section. But here is a trick that div is our main with our upper section, upper div dot upper. Direct you can write the upper as well. Upper, if there is some div dot upper, and just make two input in it. Input dot text, type text, and another is input email. Okay. So there is a two input. One is for email, one is for text, and uh, outside of this upper container we have to create the text area. And not we need the we don't need a name, so we just remove it. If you want to you can add. So here it is. This is our layout. We actually see the HR also. So HR means horizontal reference. This create the line between the upper part of the footer and the part of the footer. Means we can create the line with the help of HR tag between footer container and the form container. Okay, so there is our form container and there is our footer container. If you want to see in the browser how our layout looks like, so this is our layout, and which is not look good at that time. We want to make like this current layout. So first we have to feedback form. It is the actual heading. So we have to add the M also. So to CSS file, first we have to create the another partition of the VS Code and targeted the footer section. So there is our footer section. We have to give the background color. What is our background color? So uh, we have to just inspect here. Okay. So there is our footer section. Our footer section has the background. We just copy here and here. Control with the hashtag, because it is in a form of hexadecimal number. So we have to fix it here. So here is you can see the whole color is looking like same as one. Don't worry about it. And now the time is to create the form of actual right. And also we need a button to call the button tag also. And in the button section we have the text mark your presence. Mark your presence. Now the time to styling the feedback form or the form class. So just to target the form, we have the footer class, and inside the footer we have the form. So this is our we are going to create the layouts, and first we have to create padding of padding around from top to bottom, top and bottom. We are going to give the 20 px, and from left to right we are going to give the 40 px. So now the time to and feedback form, and first we have to style the h1 tag. There is our h1 tag, and we don't focus here on CSS, so just copy here from copy here and paste it here. Control V, so don't get it. So we have to just remove it from. And now you can see the feedback form is just now we need everything in center, so we have to just display flag, and the flag direction are column, line item center, and justify content also center, all. So now it's look good. After that, we are going to work on this section. So just to develop this section, so we have to target the input field. So we have the footer, we have the form, and inside the form we have the class upper. We target the upper, we make a display flag. So our both input fields are going to set in a row. Display flag or display flags, making it good, and we have to give the margin also. So we not here from margin top and margin bottom also we have to give it margin for margin bottom around 50 px, 30 px is more, around 20 px it is good. Display flags, now now it is good. So we target the upper, and inside the upper we have the input tag, so we don't need here to give the. And now we have to give the height and width, which is which is I'm not going to just to type the input. Control V, control V, after the control V, we get the text shape, and we have to marginalize it. We have to give the margin around 10 px, up or down, top to bottom. We have to give the 5 px, and from left to right we have to give the 10 px. Next time we have to focus on the text area, but text area is of the upper container, so we have to target the footer, we have to target the form, and inside the form we have to target the text area. text text area text area, and we don't calculate the width and height, we just need to copy it from here, and here it is. Now it's look good little bit, button is look good. Also we have to give the margin as well. This control C to control V. An error. We found there this button is aligned into a column in a column, but now we are fixed it. So just now we have to with the height and width. So first you have to target it. So the form container has the button. The button we have to target. So first we have to copy it CSS because it is not a big deal to create the button. If you have any problem, you can ask in the Control C and Control V. Just to copy paste it and we can create the button also. There is a border which is colored with white. We have to just remove it. So there is a border property here. No. So we have to create a border around the 2 border color is transparent. So this is our solution. We give it position relative, and left around 50%. We have to make its minimum around 30%. It's look good. This is our feedback form. We have to give the placeholder so people can understand their placeholder. Placeholder is name and sorry, enter your name, and here it goes. Email. We have to give the placeholder and the email, and we it's now it's look good. Add the padding we needed. So just to add the padding around 2 px. Now it's look good. We have to improve the font size around 110. It is 16 pixel. It looks now good. Next I have to set the HR, so horizontal reference, the HR, and we have the footer, and inside the footer fabric. So HR is width is around 100%, and height is it is, and margin also we are going to form margin from top and margin from bottom. Margin around 10 px. From right and left we don't need to give it. We'll just give a px or 0. So it look not good. We have to give the more margin from top and bottom. We have to make 30. Now it's good. And for that we have to create the um, one is having Andheri East Mumbai, which is address, and one is having okay, so one is having this sets this whole and another is having this. So we just create a container so to and put it into a container. These two things, and this is our text. Okay. So after that we have to create a footer container which is already created. But targeted footer, inside the footer we have to put container and container spelling this container, and we have to create a two things here. Footer container is we as we discussed we need a first set which is named as first or but because we have to give upper as a class another tag we don't need to give the upper here. We have to target it as a first. Another is P which is our name created by footer 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 it's my wrong footer. The footer container we have to do that place select direction column and align item center for justify content is done. Okay, let's move to the first. And first have the two content. First is containing the address and another is containing the item. So we have to create the first with the address. You know that this is address and study, so we have to put it in Andheri East, Andheri East, Mumbai. Wow. So and another is image is containing lots of. So we have to just yeah. We go. Now the time is to target the first. First is inside the footer container. And that is first, we have to give the display flag so we can align the items in a rows format. Display flags. Yeah. And justify content. There is a justify content is space between. So now you can see we don't give the first as a width, so we have to first give it a width. Width is around 100%. Now you can see our things are aligned. We just space align item is also a trend. It's good, but to know about the things which is not looks good, so we have to tag it first, and we gave this 100% width. Okay, so we also forgot because when we gave the item width the percentage, we also gave it in a parent also. So which is around 100%. Now it's look. This is a basic concept. Forget it. And copy these things. We have inspected. We inspected. And as we inspect, we have to see. Okay, so inside the first, we have the p paragraph tag. We don't need have width. We don't need gap ever. Just to need color. Thing. Here also the color also, but footer container. So first footer container here. Color is white. White. Now everything is good. We have to give the first padding. Padding is around 50th every page. And now it's look. Now this looks good. And after this video, we are going to just create another video of web developing. You can watch it on our channel, and if you liked it, you can like my video and also comment it if you have any query. And finally, I have one request for you guys that you can subscribe my channel. This this will give us motivation to create new videos